My name's Ben Hewitt. I am at the New Haircut Design Sprint Immersive workshop. I'm a product manager at Geocaching HQ in Seattle. A couple months ago, in our standing book club at Geocaching HQ, the product and UX teams have a book club. I mean, we read, we try and keep up on the latest trends and read things, and we read Sprint, the book. And a lot of us got really excited about that. I in particular got really excited about that and managed to convince about half of our senior management team to run a full design sprint on a pretty meaty topic. That design sprint is happening next week. I mean, in general, it's just awesome to see it kind of like play out in the real world. That's, it's one thing to read it in the book, it's another thing to kind of engage with it in a miniaturized version, and that's really helpful to me. Because what that's done for me is I've started to play out in my head like, oh, I think this kind of thing might happen next week. And I kind of like the partnership or the pairing of knowing that our actual sprint is coming next week, because it makes what we're doing in these 2 days much more concrete to me. It's experiential learning for sure, and that is great for me. That's right in one of the ways I learn.